Do you freeze when someone says, "Tell me about yourself"? You're not alone, and today we're fixing that.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sophia. Welcome to Speaking English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. Here are 3 quick tips to talk about yourself with confidence.
Tip 1, start simple. Just say your name and where you're from.
Tip 2, add your job or what you study. 1 sentence is enough.
Tip 3, share one thing you like. It keeps the conversation going.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. My name's Sophia, and I'm from Tokyo. I love speaking English.
Simple, clear, and friendly. That's all you need.
Listen to our full episode for more examples, role play practice, and tips. Drop a comment below and tell us one thing about yourself. And don't forget, subscribe to Speaking English official channel. Someone walks up to you and says, "Tell me about yourself." What do you say? Do you go blank? Do you say too much? Or do you say nothing at all?
Today, we're going to fix that for good. Welcome to Speaking English channel.
I'm Sophia.
I'm Alex, and today we're going to teach you exactly how to talk about yourself in English, step by step, with real examples and real practice.
By the end of this episode, you will have a ready-to-use answer for "Tell me about yourself." Let's go.
So, why is this question so hard?
Because we don't know where to start. There is so much to say about ourselves. Name, age, job, family, hobbies. It feels like too much.
But here's the good news. You don't need to say everything. You just need a simple, friendly answer.
Think of it like this. Tell me about yourself is not a test. It's an invitation to share a little bit about who you are.
And once you have a structure, a simple plan, it becomes easy, even fun.
Today, we have 3 tips to help you, plus practice, role play, and real examples. Stay with us. It's going to be a great episode. Start with the basics: name, place, and age. Okay, tip 1. Start with the basics.
The basics are simple. Your name, where you are from, and, if you want, how old you are.
These are the easiest things to say, and they are a great starting point.
For example, listen to this short conversation.
My name is Sophia. I'm from Tokyo. I'm 25 years old.
I'm Alex. I'm from Canada. Nice to meet you, Sophia.
See? Simple, friendly, easy to understand.
You don't need big words. You don't need long sentences. Just start with your name and where you're from.
And here is a tip inside the tip. You don't have to say your age if you don't want to. It's optional. Just your name and country is perfectly fine.
For example, my name is Alex. I'm from Canada. Done. That's a great start.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice.
Repeat after me. My name is Alex. Say your name.
I'm from Tokyo. Say your country.
One more time. My name is Alex, and I'm from Canada. Great job. Tip 2. Add your job or what you study.
Tip 2. Add your job or what you study.
After your name and where you're from, the next natural thing to share is what you do. This tells people a lot about you.
Are you a student, a teacher, a doctor, a chef? It doesn't matter. Just say it clearly.
For example, I'm a student. I study art. Or I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Short, clear, easy.
And if you love your job or your studies, you can add one feeling word, like, I love it, or it's very fun and creative.
That small detail makes your answer feel warm and real, not just a list of facts. Let's try a little conversation together.
So, Sophia, what do you do?
I'm a student. I study art. I love to draw and paint. What about you, Alex?
I am a teacher. I teach English. I really love my job.
See how natural that sounds? 2 sentences each. That's all you need.
Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I am a teacher. Talk briefly about your role.
I am a student. Share what you are studying or learning.
Excellent. Tip 3. Share one thing you like and one thing you don't like.
Tip 3. Share something you like and maybe something you don't like.
This is the fun part. This is where your personality comes in.
When you tell someone what you enjoy, your hobbies, your favorite food, your favorite color, they start to know the real you.
For example, I love pizza. I like to paint. My favorite color is green.
And when you add something you don't like, it makes you sound even more natural and honest, like, I don't like spicy food, or I'm not a morning person.
People laugh. They relate. They say, me too. And that's how a conversation begins.
It doesn't have to be deep. Keep it light. Keep it simple.
For example, hi, I'm Alex. I'm a teacher from Canada. I love pizza and dogs, but I really don't like olives.
And I'm Sophia. I'm a student from the Tokyo. I love pasta and cats, but I'm definitely not a morning person.
See, you learn so much about a person in just 2 or 3 sentences.
Smile. Now let's practice together.
Repeat after me. I love teaching. Say one thing you love.
But I don't like. Say one thing you don't like.
Repeat 2.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. We're about halfway through and you're doing really well.
Tip 1, start with your name and where you're from. Tip 2, add your job or what you study. Tip 3, share something you like and something you don't like.
3 tips, 3 simple steps, and now you have a ready-made answer for tell me about yourself.
Stay with us. In just 2 minutes, we'll do a live 2-minute role play. Don't skip it.
Okay, everyone, it's practice time. This is the most important part of the lesson. Are you ready?
We're going to do some repeat after me sentences. Say them out loud. Don't just think them, actually speak.
Let's begin. Repeat after me. My name is Sophia. Repeat it twice.
I'm from Canada. Repeat it twice.
I am a student. Or you can say your own job. Repeat it twice.
I love English. Repeat it twice.
But I don't like coffee. Repeat it twice.
Now let's put it all together into one natural sentence. Ready?
My name is Sophia. I'm from Tokyo. I love English, but I don't like coffee.
Your turn. Say the full sentence out loud.
Wonderful! You've just practiced answering the question, tell me about yourself.
All right, now let's make it real. Imagine you've just walked into a brand new English class, and your teacher looks at you and says, please introduce yourself to the class.
Don't worry, we're going to walk you through this together, step by step. There's no pressure, just follow along.
Step 1. Say your name. Simple, confident, like you mean it. Repeat after me. My name is Alex. Now you say yours. Go ahead.
Beautiful. Step 2. Tell them where you're from. Like this. I'm from Tokyo. Your turn. Say it out loud.
Step 3. Share what you do. Are you a student? A professional? For example, I'm an English teacher. Or maybe, I'm a student from Canada. Try it with your own answer.
Smile. Step 4. Add something personal. Something you genuinely love. Try, I love the English language. Or your hobby, your passion. Anything real. Tell us.
And step 5, here's where it gets fun. Add one thing you don't like. Keep it light, keep it honest. Like, but I really don't like waking up early in the morning. Go on, make them laugh a little.
Perfect. Now, put it all together. All 5 steps. No stopping, no overthinking, just speak. Ready? Go.
Let me show you how it sounds when it all comes together. My name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I love music and good food, especially pizza. But honestly, I really don't like waking up early in the morning.
And here's mine. My name is Sophia. I'm from the United States. I'm a student. I study art, and painting is my favorite thing in the world. I'm completely obsessed with pasta, but spicy food? Absolutely not. Not for me.
Hear how natural that feels? No big words, no complicated grammar. Just real, honest sentences. The kind you can use in class, at a job interview, at a party, or anywhere you meet someone new.
And here's the thing. You don't have to say everything at once. Pick 2 or 3 details that feel comfortable. Keep it simple, keep it warm, and most importantly, smile when you say it.
Confident. A smile changes everything. It really does. People don't just hear your words, they feel your confidence.
Okay, everyone, that's our episode for today. You have learned 3 powerful tips to answer "Tell me about yourself" in English.
Name and place, job or studies, and one thing you like plus one thing you don't.
Now it's your turn. Go to the comment section right now and write 1 sentence about yourself. It can be casual, like, "Hi, I'm Maria and I love cats." Or formal, like, "My name is David. I am a student from Tokyo."
We read every comment. We would love to learn about you.
And if this episode helped you, please subscribe to Speaking English official channel, give us a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
We'll be back soon with another fun episode. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling.
Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye for now.
Bye.